So this is how your universal 0 volt therapy kit comes in. Once you unbox the box, there is a brochure of 0 volt therapy giving details about all the products. There is a letter from the founder. There is a caution page, and then this is the actual mat. So in the accessories kit, you get a 0 volt therapy booklet. This is the mat connectivity tester. It is used to check the conductivity of your mat. This is the earthing cord. This one side of the cord connects to the mat and other side goes to the earthing pin of your electrical board. This is the earthing testing socket. Before connecting your earthing cord, you need to check if your electrical test socket has proper earthing in it. And with this, we give a small keychain.